winds 15 to 20 knots.
Yeah.
Becoming north 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast issued 1 p.m. Wednesday, January 14th, 2026 for KHB32 listening area for the following counties in Florida: Hillsborough, Pasco, Pinellas, and Polk, including the cities of Newport Richey, Zephyr Hills, Clearwater, St. Petersburg, Brandon, and Tampa. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers this evening, then showers likely after midnight. Lows in the mid-50s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers in the morning, then mostly sunny in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 60s. Temperature falling into the mid-50s in the afternoon. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday night, clear. Much cooler with lows in the lower 30s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Wind chill values in the mid-20s after midnight. Friday, sunny.
Yes.
Highs around 60. Northeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly clear.
What's still on?
Lows around 30. Northeast winds around 5 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast for the radio listening area. Saturday and Saturday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers. Highs in the lower 70s. Lows in the upper 40s.
There we go.
Sunday and Sunday night, mostly clear.
Not bad, not bad.
20% chance of rain showers. Highs in the lower 60s.
What's still on?
Lows in the mid-30s. Martin Luther King Jr. Day and Monday night, clear. Highs in the upper 50s. Lows in the upper 30s. Tuesday and Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-60s.
Thinking something I'm on off.
Lows in the lower 40s.
Let's freaking go.
Wednesday and Wednesday night, mostly cloudy.
Alright. There we go. First RWT with the camcorder too.